पुराने जमाने के
टीचिंग के तरीकों से
हमको क्यों पढ़ाते हैं? It's so boring.
अब वेदांतु देगा प्रॉब्लम से छुटकारा।
Hi kids.
समझ आएगा तो मजा आएगा, मजा आएगा तो समझ आएगा।
Best teachers पढ़ाए तो simple लगे everything.
Leaderboards and quizzes से
Amazing.
learning हो जाए happening। समझ आएगा तो मजा आएगा, मजा आएगा तो
Vedantu. Learn live online. To attend a free live class, download the app now.
Good evening, students. Hi, everyone. A warm welcome. Hi, everyone. My name is Ankita Sharma. I'm your master teacher of biology, and I welcome you in this amazing session. Now, you all know what we are talking about. The sprint have started, everyone. On your special request, we are starting class 9 sprint yet again because you really liked our videos, you really appreciated our hard work that we are doing. So we are back with the amazing content and of course the amazing classes for you. Thank you so much for the response that you gave in the previous sprint. Now let's start our class, everyone. इस बार की जो सीरीज है हमारी वो बहुत अच्छी होने वाली है. We'll be discussing the important questions हर बार की तरह. पूरा हम आराम से डिस्क्रिप्टिव जाएंगे. We'll be planning to do chapter wise chapter questions which are important. हम बताएंगे कि आप एग्जाम में किस तरीके से उन्हें लिख सकते हैं, right? So there are a lot of things which will be coming up to you. Stay tuned with us, everyone, and watch the video till the end. Let's begin our class, everyone. You know this, we are doing sprint, and of course, you know this how exciting this all. So like you have to read all of the things very fast. Sprint का मतलब ही यही कि तेजी से करना. तो हम वही करेंगे. Apart from it, we know that you really like our channel, and it's a small humble request, everyone, download this amazing Vedantu app which has all of the details that you see in our classes over here. So it will be easy for you to check that out and of course learn along with us. Apart from it, you know that there are a lot of micro courses specially designed for you for your better understanding. अभी आप 9th class में हैं, आपको एक चैप्टर में सिर्फ डाउट है तो आपको लगेगा why not take a micro course of that particular chapter and you're good to go. So ये देखिए माइक्रो कोर्स का लिंक है, जाके देखिए कौन कौन से चैप्टर्स हैं, कौन कौन से अवेलेबल चैप्टर्स हैं जो आप पढ़ सकते हैं हमारे साथ में. This code is being given over here. Use that code, everyone, and of course you'll get 95% off. Apart from it, we have subscription model in which of course you can go on this particular link and of course check out the amazing courses that we are specially offering for you. Okay, now let's move ahead, everyone. You know the drill. Join the Telegram group link and of course hit the like button for this video and share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Okay, that's it. Let's dive into the pool of learning, everyone. In this whole sessions and of course the upcoming sessions also, we'll be studying very hard. We have to study hard, everyone. Flipping the pages and of course fully focused in our learning now. Okay. The first chapter that we are doing is our fundamental unit of life. That is the first chapter of our class 9th. क्या है इस चैप्टर में? इस चैप्टर में है कि सेल्स क्या हैं, उनके डिफरेंट स्ट्रक्चर्स के बारे में और मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली उनकी अमेजिंग ऑर्गेनल्स के बारे में, राइट? ऑर्गेनल्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, फंक्शंस पढ़ेंगे, कैसे होते हैं, कहाँ पे होते हैं और क्या कर रहे हैं. We will be studying that all, everyone. Okay, so of course when we talk about this structures and cell, we sometimes get confused कि मैम क्या बोल रही हैं. Without wasting our time, everyone, let's start with the first class. Okay, and before that, as we need some kick, we have this for you. The quote actually is like, the harder you work, everyone. See, I'm a person who loves quote because it gives us a lot of motivation. So before we begin our class, let's read this amazing quote. That, the harder you work for something, the greater you will feel when you achieve it. So we know this, right? Let's see how many of you will stay till the end of this class, everyone. I will be checking out the videos and reading your live chat. So be alert, be active, and let's start our class, everyone. Here is the question number 1, everyone. Okay. Now again, as it's sprint, so we'll be going a bit more speed. but definitely covering up all the important concepts. So let's start our class, everyone. The first question is, the undefined nuclear region of the prokaryotes are also known as. There is a region in the prokaryotes which is completely undefined. What we call it? What we call it, everyone? Of course, I know you will be answering, and of course, the answer is pretty much clear. Is it nucleolus, nucleoid, nucleus, or the nucleic acid? Now, everyone, before we start, I wanted to know what are pro and what are eukaryotes. So, the major difference between a prokaryote and a eukaryote is that prokaryotes does not have a nucleus. I always draw this diagram of a bacteria. It's a round bacteria with a tail, and of course it has its nuclear material in between. The nuclear material, the genetic material, is not inside a proper shaped structure, but rather it is just spread out inside the body of the animal. Hence they are called as a prokaryote. Eukaryote, true nucleus. These cells, everyone, as we know, have a proper nucleus, and inside these nucleus, everyone, we have our genetic material. Hence, everyone, we know this, the right answer for this question will be nucleoid, right, everyone? See, nucleoid, it is freely suspended. It is not inside any of the membrane, but it is just freely suspended over here. Clear? The right answer is nothing but option number B, that is the nucleoid. Okay? Now let's move to the question number 2. Everyone, over here we have mentioned what is the total number of marks, how much time you will be spending in your examination, and of course, how much time we are taking. We are actually doing in less than 1 minute, so no issues, but here you have a timer with you in which you can actually think that what you want to write, what you want to miss about this particular question. Next question. Next question is that kitchen of the cell is super duper easy, everyone. What is the kitchen of a cell? I'll not spend much time over here. The right answer is the chloroplast. Now we can take a moment over here and discuss what is chloroplast. Now we know that the chloroplast, basically, everyone, okay, let's use the black one, right? The chloroplast is basically a place, of course, on the leaves, right, everyone? Can you see over here? In the cells. Now it is the site of the photosynthesis. Now chloroplast will have chlorophyll pigments in which basically the photosynthesis process will occur. Now in our textbooks we have been given that chloroplast basically can be divided into 3 different parts. Leucoplast, which stores the starch and it has white color, everyone, like potato. Just remember the example. Then we have chromoplast. Chromoplast, everyone, the beautiful red, yellow, brownish colors that we see are coming from our chromoplast, red color. Radish, okay, carrot. These all amazing things are in this chromoplast. The last is the chloro. That is nothing but the green color which is coming for the leaves, and hence chloroplast plays a very important role in the making of the food. It's a fooding processing, or maybe we can call it as it's a kitchen of the cell. So the right answer, everyone, is what? Right answer is the amazing chloroplast. Okay, next question. See, 15 seconds was the time, but it took us like 3 seconds. Next question, everyone. Organelles other than nucleus containing the DNA. Now over here, it's a very interesting question usually asked in the examination. बहुत ही easy question है. Mitochondria, एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम, गोल्गी apparatus और लाइसोसोम, इनमें से किसके पास में अपना खुद का DNA होता है? Everyone, we know that the nucleus have the DNA, but they are asking which of these organelles have their own DNA. The answer is pretty much easy, right, everyone? We don't have to think about it. In the cells, basically, mitochondria have their own genetic material. So in animal cells, we'll be considering the mitochondria which have its own DNA, Whereas in the where everyone? In the plants, plastids, right? Plastids, chloroplast, leucoplast, and chromoplast, plastids. Plastids, we saw that, right? Plastids were divided basically. Okay? So, plastids have their own DNA by which they can actually make their own proteins and their own synthesis mechanism. So, mitochondria has its own DNA. Amazing, right? Like in the cell, they have their own genetic material also. And these two important points, it just project out that both the mitochondria and the plastid in the older time in course of evolution must be a free organelles. But with the time, they got collaborated with the cell and hence they have their own DNA and they are working perfectly fine. Next question, everyone. Okay, so we have this. Next question now. Lipids molecules in the cells are synthesized by. So we have studied that lipids are produced which help in the manufacturing of the plasma membrane of the cell. Now the question is asking lipids which are found are produced by which of the organelles? We know this, it's an easy peasy answer. Let's see everyone over here. So the smooth endoplasmic reticulum everyone will be helping in the synthesis of lipids. Okay, lipids will be going and of course will be making the plasma membrane of the cell. So hence, right answer to this particular question will be smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Lipids are made by the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum helps in the synthesis of our proteins. Golgi apparatus is the one which takes up those proteins, pack them, modify them and then send it to the various parts of the cell. And plastids, we know. Plastids are the one which are not present in animal cells. They are only present in plant cells. And in plant cells, everyone, plastids help in making of the food, right? Let's see the next question. Here we have the next question, everyone. A big question for you, giving us some time to read and I'll also read along with you. Following are the few definitions of osmosis. Read carefully and select the correct one, everyone. Just giving you a small hint. In osmosis, we have studied that it's a process. I'm not giving you a bigger hint, but from a small hint, it moves from higher concentration to the lower concentration through a dash membrane. Let's see. And yeah, we can see through semipermeable. Everyone have something or the other. Let's see. The right answer is what, everyone? Right answer is that osmosis is a process that moves, in which basically the water molecules moves from the higher concentration to the lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane, everyone. And according to which our right answer will be option number A. Let's read the statement, everyone. See. Movement of water molecules from a region of higher concentration to the region of lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane, everyone. We have to focus on the word that is semi-permeable membrane, everyone. It is really important for us to mention. Now, I want you to take some time and I want you to understand about the three different types of solution. Hypo, hyper, and iso. Right? Hypotonic solution, hypertonic solution and isotonic solution. What occurs in the hypotonic? The cell swells up. The cell swells up. What happens in the hyper? The cell actually shrinks. It actually shrinks. And iso, the cells remain basically the same, right? The molecules move from inside to outside and they will be increasing the size of the cell. In hypertonic, the cell will be losing the content outside and the cell will be shrinking. In isotonic, what happens? There is an equal movement of the molecules inside and out. The solution will remain in a same balance. And hence we have three different types. So remember this, everyone. Isotonic, hypertonic and hypotonic. hippopotamus. So it is increasing in size. Hyper. When you are hyper, you can't focus. Something is missing. It's shrinking. Iso means same. Osmosis is what? Osmosis is the movement of the water molecules from a higher concentration to the lower concentration. Higher concentration से पानी के molecules lower concentration में आ रहे हैं जहाँ पे वो कम थे. पर किसके through? They are moving through a semi-permeable membrane. सब कुछ allow movement में नहीं होगा. There will be some stoppage over here. Some molecules will move, some molecules will not move. Everyone, I hope you are clear with it. Okay? Next question. Over here, how are the chromatin, chromatids and chromosome related to each other? It's a 2 marks question. You have to write over here, everyone. And I'm just explaining you. You can put in your own words and you can write. See, we know this. Chromatin is nothing but the noodles. Okay? Chromatin is nothing but the noodles suspended throughout the nucleus. Right? And we have the chromatin fibers over here. Slowly, they'll just, if we start coiling them properly, everyone, we have, this type of structure in which we can see histones are attached. Okay, what are histones? They are nothing but the proteins. Histones are the proteins, everyone, right? On the proteins, the DNA is wrapped around and hence it will form a condensed chromosome. Everyone, can you see a condensed chromosome? Clear? So basically over here, what we see that there is a chromatin, and of course, if you took the structure same and it looked like this, and of course then we have our condensed chromosome. Now, what is chromatid over here? If you see everyone, this is chromatin. Okay? If you start arranging them, it is chromatin, and they are at the center, which is called as a centromere. At the center, we have a centromere, right? Now, these are the duplicate. These are the same sister chromosomes. They are called basically the chromatids, everyone. Can you understand? Chromatin, chromatids and chromosome. So over here, if we see, chromatin is a single thread-like structure. If we have two sister exact duplicated DNA, same exact copy of them coming together and saying hi and hi to each other, they are chromatids, tids, T-I-D. So it's 2. And the last one is the chromosome. Highly condensed form of all these is called as chromosome, everyone. See everyone over here, take a screenshot. It's very easier for you to remember. Yes, chalo. Next question, everyone, on your screen. How does amoeba obtain its food? Describe in stages. A very, very interesting question, everyone, and it's super duper easy. Now, let's see. Now, amoeba is basically a prokaryote. It's write in the comment section below. Yeah, it is an interesting question for me to ask because everyone will say that now amoeba sabse pehle aaya tha. It's a bacteria. So tell everyone, take a movement out. Do write in the comment section below whether amoeba is a prokaryote or a eukaryote. Is it a bacteria? The first question, I have been hearing it for a very long time. Now, amoeba to bacteria hai. Do write in the comment section below, everyone, what you think about it. And I know definitely you will be giving me right answer that amoeba is not a dash. You know that. Please write in the comment section below and do tell me about it. और इसके बाद एक homework question भी आएगा तो उसका आंसर भी आप आराम से लिख सकते हैं homework में. फिलहाल let's see this question, everyone. This is the digestion process. Now let's see how the amoeba actually obtain its food. Now amoeba have a nucleus, definitely. It has pseudopodia. Basically, the outer membrane, the plasma membrane of the amoeba is very, very flexible. Okay? It makes the pseudopodia or the false fingers, everyone. This pseudopodia will move along and it will engulf the food particle and it will take inside it. There is a formation of the vessel in which the enzymes will be there. The food will be digested and of course it will be thrown out of the body. Right? Very easy process. Now let's study this with the specific names. Ingestion, eating process. The way we are eating is ingestion. So amoeba first will ingest it. Okay. Second is digestion. So digestion will be occurring. Okay. These processes will be there where the digestion will be occurring. Third is absorption, everyone. The food particle is being completely broken down and the absorption will be there. Fourth is assimilation, will be distributed everywhere, and egestion is nothing but the removal of the body waste. This is how the amoeba, basically everyone, will be doing the digestion process, or we can say it is how it will be obtaining the food. Okay everyone, here is a deal that we did hold up the chapter, which is cells and of course the structures of the cell. Okay, now when we talk about the whole structure of the cell, everyone, we know it. Our cells has ribosomes, it has lysosomes. Ribosomes helps in the protein synthesis. They are found on the ER. Lysosomes have some amazing digestive enzymes with which basically just digest any of the microorganisms or sometimes the cell itself. That's why they are called as the suicide bags of the cell. Anything that we missed, write in the comment section below. To my knowledge, we have covered all the important points. Plasma membrane, everyone. Plasma membrane is nothing but an amazing membrane, which is again a semi-permeable membrane, and it will allow the entry and the exit of few molecules inside and out. Cell wall is there, which is very strong, present only in the plant cells, made up of cellulose, and assure that there is a rigid structure of the plant cells. It basically balances out the water inflow and outflow, and hence it's one of the strongest walls that we see. Okay, chromosome is there, nucleus is there, and all of the amazing organelles are also there. We are done with most of the organs, and if you see precisely, we are done with all of the organs. Okay, with that note, everyone, I have a homework for you. Go ahead and write this homework in the comment section below. Your answer will be featured in the next amazing class, and everyone, stay tuned to our channel. Okay, we are working really very hard for you. So write this first of all, everyone, write this answer in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the like button for the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Join the Telegram group, and of course you'll get amazing information. The next video, which will be coming up very soon, so you can check out the schedule on the community page, and I will be seeing you in your next class. If you have any inquiries, everyone, you can write me on this particular email address, and if you have any other concern, please write in the comment section below. आप बताइए हिंदी में पढ़ना है, इंग्लिश में पढ़ना है, mixed language तो है ही everyone. Yes, and do write in the comment section below about the homework answer. Rest, I'll be seeing you next week, everyone. Your Ankita Ma'am saying you bye-bye. Take care, everyone.